Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon, ang 500 lira ng Turkey na mayroong taon na 1989. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history dito dahil mataas din ang kanyang bintahan dito sa ating selling online. Tapusin lang ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Turkey. The history of Turkish coins including the 500 lira series reflects the economic and political evolution of modern Turkey. Here's a brief overview. Historical context that the Turkish lira was first introduced in 1844 during the Ottoman Empire as the official currency, replacing the kurush as the primary monetary unit. After the establishment of the Republic of the Turkey in 1923, the currency underwent several changes reflecting shifts in the nation's economy and governance. The lira during the Republic era, initial coins 1923 until 1950s, early Turkish Republic coins were minted using materials like silver and bronze. The design often featured Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the founder of modern Turkey. Economic changes in 1960 until 1980s. The high inflation rates led to rapid devaluation of the Turkish lira, prompting the need for higher denominations. Introduction of high denomination coins 1989 as a response to the inflation during 1980s. This period saw the introduction of larger denomination coins to accommodate the declining value of the lira. Design and symbolism of the 500 lira coin. The 500 lira coins design reflects the national pride and unity. Obverse design, a portrait of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, symbolizes the Turkish modernization and independence. Reverse design, the denomination is framed by a wreath symbolizing peace and prosperity. The material, aluminum bronze, was chosen for durability and cost effectiveness during a period of economic constraints. The end of old lira coin. By the early 2000s, inflation had rendered coins like the 500 lira almost valueless in real terms. In 2005, Turkey redenominated its currency, introducing the new Turkish lira or YTL, which effectively removed 6 zeros from the old currency. Legacy of the 500 lira coins. The 500 lira coins is a symbol of Turkey's economic journey during a challenging period. For collectors, it represents an era of transition and resilience of Turkish economy. So yun guys, ang napakagandang history tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Turkish. At napakataas din guys ang ating bintahan dito sa ating selling online sa eBay. Mayroon itong price na 10.52 US dollars. So sa atin, nagkakalaga din ito sa Pilipinas ng 616.89 centavos. So hindi na masama guys kung mayroon kang nakadisplay na katulad dito guys. Mayroong 600 pesos. ang bawat isa kapag dinisplay mo doon sa ating ceiling online guys. So yun guys, ang napakagandang history. Maraming salamat sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.